Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back for this juicy topic. Okay, no matter how many times you've had it, you're always looking forward to it. Yes, I'm talking about knacking. And nothing ensures some great love like good foreplay. Here are the best 11 foreplay tips that your woman would love. So let's start the list of top foreplay ideas for him. Number 1, dirty talk. Dirty talk comes in the first place on the list of foreplay ideas for him. This foreplay can start much before you lay your hands on the girl. Hit things or by dirty talking just before you hit the moment. Whisper in her ear what you plan to do to her and she won't be able to resist you. Number 2, touch her at different places. This foreplay idea comes in the second number of the list. In this foreplay, run your hands down and around her body. Graze them against her inner thighs. Touch every inch till she melts in your hands as you give her a long, passionate kiss. Number 3, pay special attention to her ears. Bite them gently, lick them, breathe into them as you give her a tug on her hair. And you will definitely put her in the right mood. Number 4, massage her sensitive areas. Starting from the neck and going all the way down to her knees. Massage every sweet spot in her body and watch her go crazy. Number 5, take off her clothes slowly. When it comes to undressing her, never rush. Take it slow. Tease her into the act of getting naked. Break the monotony by kissing her bare body every now and then. Number 6, surprise her with a new move. As you kiss her gently, catch her off guard by unhooking her bra with one hand. A move she just won't be expecting. It is not that hard. Just slip your index finger and your middle finger under her strap and unclasp it using your thumb and your forefinger. Number 7, play with her right. Most women complain that men pay attention only to spend an amount of time discovering new sensitive areas on and around her. I don't want to mention it. Talking of come back for more every now and then. That's exactly what she wants. Number 8, multitask. A thumb, 2 hands, 10 fingers, endless possibilities. As you play with her or run your hands over her body, and she will be groaning and moaning in no time. Number 9, kiss her inner thighs. Kiss her legs and move up. It is one of the best foreplay ideas for her. Gently kiss her inner thighs, lick them, move further up, but don't touch her kitty. Your weight will make her go crazy every second. Make her beg for it. Number 10, look her in the eye. While it may not be a big deal for you, women love it when men look into their eye during knacking activity. It guarantees a high level of pleasure in women. So keep her hooked onto you with a passionate gaze as you walk your way around her hot body. 11, lick her cleats. Go down and lick her cleats with the tip of your tongue, if you can. Be gentle at first. If she wants you to be rough, you will know. Hit the right spots and you will have her squirming with pleasure. These are my 11 top foreplay ideas for her to him. So in case you're looking for a foreplay idea, I just gave you 11. That is awesome number. That is a lot. So you're going to be exploring tonight with these tips. So I hope you find this video helpful. And if you did, you've not yet subscribed, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment on my comment section, like my video, share the video. I'm definitely going to see you in my next video. Mwah.